Yeah, amazing. 7 amazing benefits of ginger you should know. Did you know that one of the most popular spices in the world may also offer several health benefits? Ginger has been used for centuries in cooking and traditional wellness practice. And today, we are going to be looking at some reasons why so many people include it in their diet. Let's get started. Number one, number one benefits. Ginger help with digestion. Do you know that? Many people use ginger to ease occasional digestive discomfort and support normal digestion. I believe you know that. If you don't know that today. And number two, ginger help reduce nausea. That is vomiting. Ginger is commonly used to help with nausea, including motion sickness and some type of morning sickness during pregnancy. And number three benefit you should know about ginger is that it contains antioxidants. Ginger contains natural compounds that act as antioxidants, which help protect cells from damage caused by free radicals. Ginger is a real powerhouse you should know about today. You can see ginger up here. It's a very powerful herb. And number four, what you should know about ginger is supports overall wellness because it has this natural, in fact, it's a natural plant because it's a natural plant compound. You understand? It has this natural plant compound. Ginger is often included as part of a healthy lifestyle and a balanced diet. And number five, what you should know about ginger, the benefit is that it helps support the immune system. While no single food can prevent illness, however, ginger contains compounds that may support normal immune function as part of a healthy diet. And number six, benefit of ginger is that it may help with occasional joint discomfort. Some studies actually suggest that ginger may help support comfort and mobility in people experiencing occasional joint pain. As for those who are having this occasional arthritis. And also, number seven benefit of ginger is that ginger adds flavor without extra sugar. One of the simplest benefits of ginger is that it adds strong flavor to food and drinks without adding sugar. I believe those of you that do all these traditional herbs, you know that, or drinks, you know that. So how can we use ginger? You can add ginger to tea, soup, stew, smoothie, and many other dishes. Now, I want to hear from you. Do you use ginger regularly? Because we use ginger regularly. Particularly, is it regularly or occasionally? We do zobo. We do this tiger nut drink. And adding ginger adds a lot of spice. So, tell us in the comments below. What do you use ginger for? Do you use it regularly? So, if you found this video helpful, please give us a like, a share, and also follow or subscribe to this channel. It will help us grow more and it will help us bring more health tips and wellness tips to you. So bye for now.